来不及期待，骄傲就开始奔跑，力挣脱冲向蓝天怀抱。
Sometimes YouTube like this community making. Okay, this community sometimes is growing, sometimes is less. The content creator also be easily promote anything. Okay, anything promotion in like this. Okay, first time I optimize your YouTube channel. Okay, and 7 day like this 10 your last 7 like this 10 video I also optimization and SEO. Okay, and publishing and. This also be $150. Okay. In your last video, I also seen this video also 3 days ago, and your SEO only 43.2. Okay.
Music
And
licensing reimagined.
you also try to most try and some like this tech volume, tech count, and it's good. And your tech performance is only 20. And you can say your channel tech. Okay, your channel tech also need more researching. Okay, like this cooking related cooking vlog like this, and another also people in USA, UK, Canada people also searching the keyword. Okay, and this video is a related video like this daily vlog, like this cooking related, like this this video related keyword, and this video this food name. Okay, because this is the thing most needed to recharging keyword in your video related and channel
Music
related. Okay,
licensing
and when
reimagined.
you probably SEO in your channel fix and optimize in your channel, okay, then
Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined.